In Miami Beach, where bright sunlight, ocean views, and breezy interiors define the coastal lifestyle, homeowners are always looking for ways to bring more of the outdoors in. One of the most elegant and impactful upgrades you can make to your home is installing bay windows, a design feature that perfectly captures the light and energy of coastal living. Bay windows combine beauty, practicality, and comfort in one stunning package. Whether you're renovating a beachfront property or enhancing a modern residence, these windows can completely transform your space. Here's why bay windows are a breathtaking and smart addition to Miami Beach homes. Expansive natural light and panoramic views. Miami Beach is famous for its year-round sunshine, and bay windows are designed to make the most of it. Their signature 3-panel design extends outward from your home, creating a bright, open space that welcomes sunlight from multiple angles. This means your rooms stay naturally illuminated throughout the day, reducing your need for artificial lighting. The wide, panoramic glass design also offers sweeping outdoor views, perfect for homeowners who want to enjoy lush gardens, palm trees, or even ocean scenery from inside their living space. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or entertaining guests, bay windows make your home feel more connected to Miami Beach's vibrant natural surroundings. Elegant design that elevates your home's style. Few window styles add visual appeal quite like bay windows. From the outside, they create a distinctive architectural focal point, giving your home an elegant and upscale look. Inside, the extended curve adds dimension and depth, turning an ordinary wall into a design feature that stands out. Bay windows blend seamlessly with Miami Beach's diverse home styles, from Mediterranean-inspired villas and Art Deco gems to sleek modern builds. Their versatility allows you to customize frame colors, materials, and finishes to perfectly complement your home's architecture. It's not just a window upgrade, it's a statement piece that enhances your property's curb appeal and interior atmosphere at once. Energy efficiency. Designed for coastal living with Florida's heat and humidity, energy efficiency is key. Modern bay windows are engineered with advanced insulation technology that keeps your home cool and comfortable, even under Miami Beach's bright sun. They feature double or triple pane glass for superior insulation, low-E coatings that reflect heat and block UV rays, argon gas fills between panes to reduce thermal transfer, durable, weather-sealed frames that prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. These features work together to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, lower your cooling costs, and protect your furniture and flooring from sun damage. In a climate as demanding as Miami Beach, energy-efficient bay windows are both beautiful and practical. Extra space and functionality. One of the unique advantages of bay windows is how they expand your interior space. Because they project outward, they create a cozy alcove that can be used in a variety of ways. Many Miami Beach homeowners turn this extra space into a window seat for reading or relaxing with an ocean view, a dining nook filled with natural light, a display area for plants, decor, or art pieces. This added space not only enhances comfort but also increases your home's functionality and value. Improved ventilation and airflow. When paired with operable side panels, bay windows allow for excellent ventilation, an essential feature in Miami Beach's coastal climate. Opening the side windows creates natural airflow, allowing sea breezes to flow through your home and reduce humidity levels indoors. This improved circulation keeps your home feeling fresh, airy, and comfortable without overworking your air conditioning system. Durability and low maintenance. Living near the ocean means dealing with salt air, humidity, and frequent rain. Fortunately, today's bay windows are built to withstand coastal conditions. Frames made from vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass resist corrosion, warping, and fading, even after years of exposure to salty air and intense sunlight. They're also easy to maintain. A simple wipe down keeps them sparkling and clear, letting you enjoy the view without the hassle of constant upkeep. A breathtaking upgrade for Miami Beach homes. If you're looking for a home improvement that combines style, functionality, and lasting value, bay windows are the perfect choice for your Miami Beach residence. They brighten your home with natural light, improve ventilation, and enhance both comfort and beauty. With professional installation from a local Miami Beach window expert, you'll get a perfect fit designed for the region's weather and lifestyle. Whether your goal is to capture stunning coastal views or elevate your home's design, bay windows will bring elegance, efficiency, and timeless appeal to your space. In Miami Beach, where sunshine and scenery are part of everyday life, bay windows make it possible to enjoy both, from the comfort of your own home.